Okay, let's figure out the secrets to a perfect manicure. You know, one that actually lasts.
It's such a common question, right? You leave the salon and just days later, they're already chipping.
Yep, the frustrations are real. Polish lifting, messy cuticles, and even nails breaking easily. It's a whole thing.
But what if I told you there's a better way? Turns out 2 modern techniques are changing everything.
Okay, first up, the Russian manicure. It uses a dry e-file for amazing precision. No water soak here.
All that careful prep work creates the perfect surface, so the polish actually sticks and lasts for weeks.
And then there's BIAB. You've probably heard about it, but what exactly is it?
Think of it like a protective, flexible shield for your nails. It's a special gel that adds strength.
So you can finally ditch those weak, brittle nails and actually grow them out naturally and strong.
And the results, well, they really speak for themselves. This client says the attention to detail is what stands out.
But, it's not just about cool products and techniques. There's something way more important.
Yeah, I'm talking about safety. Bad sterilization isn't just gross, it can lead to some really nasty infections.
So look, a top-tier salon will always put your health first, period. That means clean, sterile tools every time.
So, how can you spot a great salon? Here's a quick checklist you can use next time you book.
When you know what to look for, you can pick a place that actually cares for your nails.
So the real question is, are you getting the amazing nail care you actually deserve? Think about it.